Let's listen to the story of letter T. So, who is there in the story? Who is this? Can you guess? Yes, she is a girl. You are right. But do you know her name? Her name starts from letter T. And her name is Tina. It's T. Tina. Say hi to Tina, everyone. Hello, Tina. And Tina has a brother. And his brother's name also starts with the same sound. T. Can you think of a name that starts with the same sound for a boy? His name is. What is his name? His name is Tim. T, t, Tim. Yes. And Tina and Tim are going to school today, but as they got up in the morning, what did they do? What do you all do when you get up in the morning? Let me draw this and you tell me, what am I drawing? Just keep looking at it and tell me, what is this? And here, 2, 3, 4. What do you think? I am drawing here. What does it look like to you? Yes, you are guessing it. Absolutely right. These are teeth, right? So, what do you do when you get up in the morning? You brush your teeth. So, similarly, Tina and Tim also they went to brush their teeth. T, t, teeth. Repeat after me. T, teeth. Now they've taken a bath, they've brushed their teeth, and they're ready for the school. But they are getting late, so their school bus just went away. Now, how will they go to school? They are going to sit in a. What is this? What is this? This is a car, but the car in which you sit, you pay the driver, and the driver drops you at the destination. What do we call that car? We call it a taxi. So Tina and Tim, they brushed their teeth, they got ready for the school, and they sat in a taxi. Now they have to quickly go to the school, else they will be late. And what am I drawing next? Okay, you have to tell me. So when they reached school, who is this? Any guesses? Any guesses? So when you go to school, whom do you see over there? In the classroom, when you go, you meet your. I think I've got the answers. You meet your. Yes, the teacher. Very good. The teacher. So the teacher asked them that, why are you late today? Why are you? She just had a stick in her hand which she uses to teach the kids. Okay. So she asked that Tina and Tim, why are you late today? So Tina and Tim said, ma'am, we got late because we missed our school bus. So we quickly took a taxi and we came. So the teacher, t, t, teacher, That also starts from the same sound. T. She said, okay, not a problem. So, which number are we learning today? Just quickly take out your notebooks and start writing with us. Which number is this? So, Tina and Tim said, this is number 10. And when you say 10, what sound do you hear? T, t, 10. Can you show your 10 fingers? Wow, very good. T, t, 10. Say the sound. T, 10. All right. So they were studying, they learned number 10, and now they were hungry. And it was lunch time. And do you know, Tina, when she opened her lunch, what was inside her lunch box? What was inside? Let's draw. I will draw, and you will tell me what is this. Okay, so when she opened her lunch box, she had brought, what is this? It was all full of butter. And this is a t t toast. Wow, yummy, yummy toast. That starts from the sound of T, t, toast. And what was in the tiffin of Tim? Let's draw it here. So, Tim had got. Okay, so what is this? This is, have you ever eaten this? This is full of vegetables. Not a burger. This is a, anybody? This is a t, t, taco. Have you eaten a taco? So if not, then you must try this. So Tim got a taco in his, what do you call that box that you carry to the school? They have, what is this? It has the sections in which you can put food. Over here you have your food. Over here you can keep some sauce, ketchup, and something else here. What do you call this box? This box is called the t t tiffin. Very good. So they got toast and tacos in their tiffin. Now they finished their tiffin happily, and it was time for them to go home. So it was time. Okay, so this is time that you see in a clock. Time. Let's repeat the story. The story is, what was the name of the girl? The name of the girl is Tina. The name of the boy is Tim. They brushed their teeth. Then they sat in a taxi. Then they met their teacher. And the teacher was teaching number 10. And this is a toast. Who got a toast in the tiffin? It was Tina. And what was in the tiffin of Tim? It was a taco. This is the tiffin. And it was time for them to go home. Did you like the story? All right.